My dear viewers, now discuss true false based on ICSE class 8 in physical and chemical changes. At first discuss a physical change is a temporary change, that does not create a new substance and only affects the physical property of the substance. That is physical property, change of color, change of size, change of others outer side. Okay. Example: folding of paper, dissolving sugar in water, melting eggs, boiling water, melting ice, etc. Okay. And now discuss the chemical change. A chemical change occur when the atoms in a substance are rearranged into different combination. Okay, this process is also known as chemical reaction. Okay, for example, cooking, sugar, digestion, respiration, burning, rusting, okay, rotting, etc. Now the discuss true false based on physical and chemical change. At first, growth of fingernails in an example of a fast change. It is wrong. It is the slow change. So this statement is false. Okay. Next question. Change that occur in nature are called natural change. This statement true. Okay. Irreversible change is a temporary change. False. Regular regular basis, that is the reversible change, is a temporary change, but irreversible change is a permanent change. That is, this statement is false. Okay. Next question. Soil erosion is a desirable change. It is the indesirable. That is, the statement is false. Okay. This statement is indesirable change, but it is a desirable change. This statement is false. Okay. Next question. Burning of mastic is a fast change. This statement is true. All change in nature are reversible. It is wrong. Okay. Some process, some change in the nature are irreversible. Okay. But this statement is false. Next question. In physical change, physical property of a substance is change. This statement is true. Evaporation is a physical change. This statement is true. Change in temperature is the only feature of a chemical change. This statement is false. Okay. Clear. Next question. During a chemical change, new products are formed. This statement true. Germination of seed is an example of a slow change. This statement is true. Cutting of tree is an artificial change. This statement true. Okay. Cyclones occur periodically. This statement is wrong. It is the irregular process. Okay. Next question. Withering a leaf is an irreversible change. This statement is true. Okay. Occurrence of landslides is a periodic change. This statement is false. This statement is irreversible change. Okay. Next question. In a physical change, the chemical properties of a substance change. This statement is false. Okay. Sublimation is an example of a physical change. This statement true. Okay. Rotting of vegetables is an example of a chemical change. This statement is true. Next question. Cutting down of tree is a chemical change. It is a physical change, but this statement is false. Next question. Boiling of water is a physical change. This statement is true. All chemical change are permanent change. This statement is true. Curdling of milk is a physical change. Not, it is a chemical change. But this statement is false. Okay. A precipitate is an insoluble salt that form during a chemical reaction. This statement is true. A precipitate is an insoluble solid. Okay, that is formed during the chemical change. This statement is true. Germination seed is the first change. This statement is false. Okay. Next question. The product of a desirable change for harmful and unpleasing. This statement is false. Okay. The change in which there is release of heat energy are called endothermic change. Not, it is the exothermic change. But this statement is false. Next question. If the chemical property of a substance remain unchanged, but its shape changes, it is a chemical change. This statement is false. It is a physical change. Okay. Next question. New product form in a chemical change. So a new properties. This statement is true. In chemical change, the energy change is minimized. That is a minimal. This statement is true. Next question. The process in which a solid gets converted into a liquid state when heated is known as boiling. Not, it is the melting. This statement is false. Okay. Next question. The process of evaporation takes place at the temperature below the boiling point of a liquid. This statement is true. Next question. Change that repeat after a fixed interval of time are known as periodic change. This statement is true. My dear viewers, any query, please comment in box. Okay, thank you, my dear viewers. Thank you.